Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sarah, and today we have an unboxing. I'm so excited for this video, you guys. I've never unboxed a Jeffree Star Cosmetics like mystery box before. I'm gonna scream. I'm so excited. I've been waiting to get one of these forever, and I finally ordered one. Before we get into the video, make sure you guys like and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you guys check me out on Instagram at unbroken_babe, and we will get right into it. So here's our mystery box, our baby. I bought the deluxe one, which is like the middle option. It was $100 and it comes with 8 items, I believe. And they did have me put in a size. So that means that there's some merch in there. I'm going to open, oh my gosh. I'm giddy. And just to let you know, I mean, this literally came in the mail today. I have not seen anything that's in here. I'm literally like cutting the tape right now. I'm hoping for one of those Jeffree Star mirrors because I've been wanting one for a while now. I thought about getting the pig one with him and Shane's collection, but I did not. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have you guys see it first. Okay, you ready? You ready? You ready? 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 Oh my gosh. Okay. So cool. Okay, well. So, first thing that I see in here is a Jeffree Star Cosmetics hat. Let me take it out of the plastic so you guys can see it better. If you guys don't know, okay, I used to be like a super big hat person, and I used to wear hats everywhere. I mean, I used to get like the velvet ones, the suede ones. Oh, I loved me a good hat. So this is perfect. Oh, girl. So cute. Get out. Oh, look at this on the inside, how cute. He's got the logo all on the inside printed. So it's just a Jeffree Star hat here. What's next? What's next? Oh, I see like a shirt, I think. I'm sorry, I see so many cute things. Okay, so I think we got a Jeffree Star black Valentine's Day collection shirt. So it's a t-shirt. It's got the little Jeffree Star logo, and then on the back has those the sweethearts. I'm gagging, can't relate. Hi, how are ya? Jeffree approved, or Jeffree Star approved, and iconic. This is too cute. I'm so in love. Catch me wearing this literally everywhere, specifically to the gym. I don't know what I should open next. Let's open this next. So this is just like a green wrapped package. I think it's a Jawbreaker mini, it looks like. Mini breaker, yep. This is so nice. I was hoping that I get one of the palettes because I've been meaning to buy like a couple of his last collections and I just haven't. Oh, this is so pretty. Look, guys. I'm so excited. So cute. And then we'll open her up. Oh, I know you guys already know what this looks like, but like, it's so cute and pretty. Cool. I'm so excited. Yes! I was hoping I'd get a palette. Let's see. Let's take some of this. I know what I see. Some of his reusable straws, which I actually was going to purchase. That's so funny that I got this in there. And they're green! So as you can see, they're all different shades of green, and it comes with a cleaning brush. I was gonna buy the pink ones. That's so funny. I've been wanting these, so I am just so excited to use them. Let's do the lippy next. I think this is one of the, he said that in every single one of the boxes there was going to be like something that you can't get outside of the mystery boxes, and I think this might be it. It's just got like the question mark on there. So here we go. Ready, 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 ready? Maybe. Oh, sorry, I'm so dramatic. Oh my god. It's like a pink metallic. I'm gonna put it on right now. BRB. We have the shade on. Sorry, I don't have a mirror around me right now, so I just kind of like put it on. Well, I have this mirror over here, this massive one, but like I couldn't do it on camera. So this is the color. She is so cute, first of all. It's like a pink metallic. I'm so into it. I don't have anything like this in my collection, and I actually wanted a pink. I already know what this next item is, so I'm just like excited to take it out. It's a gloss. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Look at this color. It's like a nude. It's like actually perfect for me as far as like skin tone goes. So you can see just from the color, it's a very nude lipstick, which I think, or lip gloss. I think this is gonna be perfect for like on the go, like going to school, going to work, and just wanna like toss on some gloss. This is gonna be great. I would put it on top of this right now, but I really don't wanna get the pink in here yet. It's so brand new. I wanna try it on without any lip first. We have, it looks like 2 more items in the box. So I'm gonna do this one first. I don't know, it could be another palette. I don't know. Sorry if I'm like looking at myself constantly. I just keep looking at this like, at my lip. You know what I mean? Like, I love it a lot. I'm feeling the pink vibes right now. It's the 24 karat highlighter palette. That is one thing I don't have from him is a highlighter palette. I did buy a million years ago one of his single highlighters, but I didn't buy a palette, and I am so happy that I got one. Oh, this is beautiful. Get out of town. Look at that patterning on there. So cute. Wow. These are beautiful. I'm gonna swatch Sarcophagus really quick. Wow, I sound so Chicagoan. Sarcophagus. Good Lord. There it is. You see it? Oh, it's beautiful and buttery. They feel so buttery. I'm almost like nervous because I feel like I'm going to be disappointed if it's not a mirror, because the entire time I've been like, this is going to be a mirror. I mean, it looks about right? And it feels light, which is why I'm thinking that's what it is. Hand mirror. I wonder which one it is. Should we guess? Maybe like a pink one? I'm so happy. That's the one thing I wanted was a mirror. Ready? Let's open it together. Oh, it's just a simple, cute little pink guy. I love it. It's like the perfect size. I'm literally, look at me right now. Is Wanda the pink one? Cosmo's the green one, right? I'm like Wanda to the max right now. I'm like, now I can officially go, welcome back to my channel. Did y'all hear how loud that was? And I'm really, really happy that I decided to go for it because I'm in love with every single one of these items that I got. And I got a new palette that I've never tried. I'm so excited to start using my mirror now. I've never, besides this, I bought this, oh Lord, 3-4 years ago? It had to be at least 3 years ago. It was so much fun to sit and just like go through everything and see what I got. It was my first ever time ordering, and it was so worth my money. I mean, all of these things, if you were to buy them together, would be so much more than $100. So I think that getting a mystery box is really a great way to just like try items that you've never tried before. You want to try them, but you don't know what to get, and you're going to save some money in the process. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll be sure to update you on some of the items that I have not yet tested. Maybe I'll even do a video on them. We'll see. But I appreciate you guys being here, and I think that's all I got for you today. And I will see you guys in my next video.